Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a language for the keyboard for text on a Panasonic Toughbook. To do this, you will need to either click on the input right here, so it's English for me, you might have a different name, and then you can pick any installed language packages. You can also go for the language preferences, and to do this, click on your start and open the settings. Here select time and language. Now go for the language, and here you can add any different languages and then change them to your keyboard right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.